Managing a complex supply chain requires a powerful command center. Introducing the Sensos Sync admin module, your one-stop shop for complete administrative control. Imagine having a central hub to manage users, configure settings, and optimize your entire Sensos Sync environment. Add, edit, and manage user access to ensure security and granular control of your platform. Assign specific permissions to different user roles, ensuring controlled access based on individual needs. Control user access to specific data sets and reports, ensuring data security and integrity. With the Sensos Sync admin module, you can ensure secure access control with user management and role-based permissions. Streamline device configuration and data management from a single location, and grant access to specific data sets for optimal team collaboration. Take control of your Sensos Sync environment and unlock its full potential. Visit our website to learn more.